Falconry is the age-old practice of hunting with raptors. It requires an unusual partnership between man and bird that allows a select few the chance to observe and be part of this skilled predator's craft. Sheldon Nicole's love for nature and birds has brought him to this unique sport. His friend and hunting partner is a peregrine falcon named Dora. To give viewers a rare glimpse into the mind of a falcon, Sheldon has ingeniously created what he's calling a bat cam. This device allows us a bird's eye view of the hunting process, where the peregrine falcon, also known as a duck hawk, will dive at speeds greater than 200 miles per hour, making it the fastest animal in the world. On this particular hunt, a duck is on Dora's radar. The assault begins with her descent, and before impact, she clenches her talons and strikes the prey down to the ground. If the blow is not fatal, Dora will proceed to sever the spinal cord with the ridged tooth on her beak, and for her efforts, she is rewarded with a full crop from her catch. Sheldon views falconry as more than just a sport, but a lifestyle which nurtures an appreciation for all nature, including the raptors he employs and the prey he pursues. He says having the privilege to witness a raptor pursue game with a front row seat is unparalleled and a window to nature. To see more of Dora's flights and learn more about falconry, take a look and subscribe to Sheldon's YouTube channel in the description below. And once again, thanks for tuning in, and giddy up.